Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Camille Joyce April de Guzman. I'm 35 years old, married, high school graduate. I had an experience for 3 years and 1 month as a helper, finished contract.
Tell me about your responsibilities in your previous job.
Taking care of newborn baby and do all household works.
Can you tell us how will you take care of the children, a baby, and an elderly?
I will take care of them by cooking them a nutritious and healthy food and feeding them, prioritize their health and safety, give my full care and attention, and serve them as own my family.
Please tell us some of your skills.
I can cook Filipino food and I'm willing to learn more it comes to cooking.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
It is necessary to be a hardworking person, honest, fast learner, God-fearer, multitasking, taking care of a kid as my own, and can work minimum supervision.
Anything else you want to tell your future employer? Can I tell them now?
Ma'am and Sir, I promise that I will finish my 2 years contract. God bless and thank you.